Good morning. So today is another potato day. Potato day. Today is Friday, some date. I don't remember what date it is exactly, but it's Friday. It's a little after 8 or a little before 9, I have no idea. And I've decided today is the day I empty this potato bag. See whether there's anything in it or not. Bucky, let me speak. Bucky doesn't want me to speak until I let her out. Okay, I'll let her out and then do this thing. Oh man. Okay. There's a sign of a potato. Here's one. Tiny potato. See that? So that's my one potato. That's a potato container. It seems I'm not gonna have much from here. Well, the rain has been very inconsistent. And oh, look at that, another one. It's true, the rain has been inconsistent, but also I was just tired of waiting for this one, so maybe I'll wait a little longer for the rest, seeing as I'm seeing a few potatoes. If I had left these, they might have grown a bit bigger. Okay, I found another one. Found another potato. It's not the smallest potato actually. I think I'll just take off my gloves at this rate. It's a little hard to feel anything through them, so I need to be gentle, I am told, because they're very delicate at this age. That's another one. Yeah, metal art, you're right, the soil is quite wet, but it's not because I've been watering it, it's because it's been raining incessantly all this time. Not good. I really don't feel any more potatoes. I think we're done. It's quite sad. Yeah, I'm a worm farmer, not a potato farmer. Yeah, so I'm just gonna throw the soil back. Always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the bright side of life. Okay, so that's it. We are back in the bag there. And this is literally everything that I got from that bag. This from there. It's literally the saddest harvest ever.